to choose the perfect shared hosting plan. Shared hosting is by far the most popular hosting choice when it comes to new websites. Every hosting provider offers shared hosting in the form of hosting plans, and each one is different. Here are our tips for choosing the perfect shared hosting plan for your website. Check server configuration. A server's configuration has a direct correlation with the performance of the sites it hosts. Take your time to compare plans, as even two similarly priced plans may offer different resources. How much bandwidth? Bandwidth is a crucial part of hosting, as it links a website and its users. Choose a plan which offers unmetered bandwidth, even if it costs more than the regular one. Check level of support. Technical support plays a critical role in ensuring that your website stays up and running smoothly. Choose a shared hosting plan which offers 24/7 live support, even if you have to pay more. Which operating system? Shared hosting is available in various flavors that includes Windows as well as Linux. You can choose either of the two operating systems as per on your website's requirements. Managed or unmanaged? Site management needs at least some domain knowledge to keep it running smoothly. If you lack the expertise, choose managed hosting and let experts take care of your website. HostGator's shared hosting offers a lightning-fast hosting experience with one-click app installs. Get the best of shared hosting with state-of-the-art infrastructure and easy-to-use cPanel.